Hi guys, I'm here to do a gun review on the Kalashnikov Ak47. And here we go. I'm Nacho, and I'm doing this gun review on my gun. This here is a 430 BB high capacity mag, speed reloader. Use your battery charger and your battery. This here is a 7.2 volt battery. Do not charge this for more than 5 hours, or else it will start wearing out and it will not work. Here's the back for your AK-47, and here is your AK-47. This here is a 320 FPS gun. It is very accurate. It has safety, semi, and automatic. It is very light and very maneuverable. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and I just personally like this gun. It's very good. This pack comes with a jamming rod, which I cannot find right now. I'll probably manage to find it later. And here is your top, so if anything gets jammed that you cannot get with the jamming rod, you can go on there and fix it up and do what you need to do. Here are your rear end sights right here, where you can adjust them to your liking. And yep, right now I will be doing show you guys how fast this gun actually shoots. The battery in. Make sure not to smush the battery because you do not want to ruin it. And be very fragile with this. This part is metal and this part is plastic. And I'll show you the semi and the auto. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Hope you comment, rate, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Have a good day. Extra bright, I want y'all to see this. Turn up the lights in here, baby. You know what I need. Want you to see everything. Want you to see all of the lights. Fast cars, shooting stars, all of the lights.